know, honestly, it's not too bad when you get up here in the mountains. It dropped about 5-6 degrees. But anyway, what's up, you guys? Chet-Guthrie, the Dream Poet here, coming to you all with another fun-filled, adventurous vlog. And today, you guys, we are out here in Andrews, North Carolina. It's a small town out in western North Carolina, but it has something really, really cool. A really cool tourist agency. It's really awesome, and it's only been around for a couple of years. And anyway, that is the Andrews Valley Rail Tours. And here is the office. It is the old train depot, Great Smoky Mountains Railway. I believe, yeah, Great Smoky Mountains Railway. I don't really know how old it is, but from what I understand, there are about 5 of these nationwide from across the country. And anyway, this is one of the newest ones. Anyway, I really like the train depot, but just check this out. Here's one of the rail cars, and this is what we will be on today. Check this out. Look at the cars. Anyway, they do have an inboard engine. Well, not really an engine, kind of like an electric motor, just in case if you are somebody that can't keep up. Basically, the engine, or not the engine, the wheels keep turning, so it gives you a chance to slow down. Now, I was watching this online, but you see where that blue thing is? In that blue thing, that's where they go when they turn around these bikes. It's really, really awesome. Also, they do have some other rail tours. They've got the rail speeders. Last year we did these when we were at Mineral Bluff, Georgia, and I was with my family. And anyway, this gives you an idea of how these work. And I do believe that they also offer train tours, like normal train tours, but this is a bit different. God, I love the mountains. So anyway, you guys, let's get to it. Let's ride the rails at Andrews Valley Rail Tours. Let's do it. Oh my God.
I'm gonna switch you up. Sorry, I messed it up a little bit.
Okay, you guys. Well, time to sit down. And this is my lucky seat. You got a cubby.
You were gonna take this, you want the brake side?
Which one's the brake?
This one.
Oh.
Anyway, I'm gonna put my drink in here.
You're welcome to keep it there, but you got your own spot back there.
All right. Oh wait. Oh yeah, that's right. There is.
You're
Forgot about
keep
that.
It there. That's all I've got.
All right. Sounds good to me.
The brake goes to the
Anyway, you guys, this is gonna be fun. Oh, this is gonna be great. And now we are going to do a braking demonstration.
Congratulations.
Before we head out. And here we go, you guys. Oh, this is cool. This is going to be a...
Perfect. Hands go in the air at all times when you're coming to a stop, okay? Good.
Oh yes, I will. Only on Dream Poet. Here we go, you guys, up into the mountains. We're, I guess, onto a certain destination. There is a cowlick in my hair. I just noticed that. Not gonna lie, I've been wanting to do this since I first saw it online. It just seems so cool and so, well, active. Really just get out and enjoy the scenery. And on this venture, you guys, we will see some old school burned out trailers, but that's not really what we're here to see. There are 9 different bridges on this track of, on this track. And at the very end of it, there is a train tunnel that was built in 1894 by prison hands. It was not dynamited. In fact, it was all done by hand. So yes, we will be seeing that today. Nice. We're we're coming to the first crossing area. Looks like we got a big giant factory right there. I don't know what kind of factory that is. Looks like somebody had an accident with that big giant, I don't know, trailer. There we go. Oh, but that is cool. Oh look, and that's where their line is. Oh wow. Okay you guys, this is awesome. It's like some kind of granary. Probably some kind of granary. Just look at those mountains. That is gorgeous. And we're also coming up to the first bridge too. Oh dude. Oh, that's pretty. I wonder what the other guys are doing. Oh dude. They're not too far from behind us. There we go. Oh, this feels great. Oh my God, look at that view. We are now officially in the deep end of the Smokies. Or I should say the Western Carolina end of the Smokies. The side that's not as touristy. Oh my goodness. It's like we're on a different planet. This is beautiful. Huh. Looks like we're coming to another stop. That's one of the cool things about this particular rail tour, you guys, is we get to stop where the road or where it crosses the roads. It's kind of a safety thing. Like that old stuff right there. Looks like before all this got cleaned up, looks like it ran through a well, still runs through a cow field. Looks like there's some giant chimney over there. I believe it's some kind of chimney. And right now we're doing a stop check. As I was saying, you guys, we for safety reasons we have to stop at where the roads cross along the tracks, just to make sure that this day doesn't get as exciting as some people probably wouldn't want it to be like. By the way, I don't know if y'all can see it, but up front there is a rail speeder that has I think about 9 to 12 people that it can see. Pretty big. Oh wow. Wouldn't you like to live right next to the railroad tracks? I mean, some time ago you probably wouldn't want to exactly live by the railroad tracks, because that would end very bad. Oh cool, we're coming next to another bridge. Kind of reminds me of what they have in Cass, West Virginia. Cass Scenic the Cass Scenic Railway. By the way, that's a cool railroad, you guys. I'm probably going to go back there at some point, just because I only saw the tip of the iceberg when I went out there back in March. Oh, and that's pretty. Now that would actually be kind of cool to live right next to the railroad tracks like this. Just a house out in the countryside. Rail bikes must yield. Seen that a lot already today. Oh look, they're growing corn. Corn. Looks like they've got some very beautiful plants. I wonder like what like a normal train ride would be through here. That would be something interesting to see. Very, very interesting. Oh wow, look. A mountain stream. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Got a little bit of folk art right there too. Interesting. It's like an outhouse made out of a hollowed out tree. And here we are on another bridge. Oh wow, dude. Kind of reminds me of that movie Stand By Me. Hey, I just found a dead body. We gotta go after it and see it, guys. You know, that movie. That was such a good movie. Stephen King needs to write another coming of age story. Oh wait, he's done that before. Never mind. Man, that is a lot of... Well, no, wait. That's not kudzu. That's something else. Anyway, it's not kudzu. It's something else. I don't know what though. Anyway, we're getting into the thick of things. Yeah, I said it. We're coming across another bridge. Oh wow. Now this is gorgeous. Wish we could stop and see some of this stuff a little bit, but nope. But what's in store at the end of all this, it is amazing. Simply amazing. And now I think we're getting to the hard part of it. Part of this line does go uphill, but it's really not too bad. At least that's what I've seen online. We might be getting a little bit of rain here soon. And oh wow, I didn't realize this, you guys. We're here. This is the train tunnel. Constructed in 1894. Built by nothing but prison hands. 325 feet in length. And we are now going into the darkness. Oh wow. This is gorgeous. Pure darkness. A little bit of light. Oh wow. And it is about 15 degrees cooler here. So, there we are at the end of it. And also this is the bridge. There's a picnic table where you can eat. And now we get to be here for about 40 whole minutes.
If you get hit by another bike, step off, get bit by a snake.
Do I say, I have gotten my workout out so far today. I got my workout in today. There we go. But as I was saying, as we went through the tunnel, we now have a full 40 minutes that we can walk around, check this place out, see it for what it is. It's kind of cool. Actually, it's really cool. And for safety, they have put these grates in. But here at this point, you guys, this is where the people will turn around the carts, and then we'll be on our way back. And probably here in a minute or so, we'll go down there and we'll check out the water, the creek. But I really want to check out the train tunnel. because that just looks freaking cool. 1894 prisoners. A lot of really cool history. Oh, and this is cool. I like how they got this set up. Oh, wow. Oh, and you can already feel the breeze.
1, 2.
Wow. This is incredible. Imagine, you guys, all this was hand cut about over 100 years ago.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, this feels good. Like really good. Not careful. It might just disappear in the darkness. Pure darkness. Kind of reminds me of Tunnel Hill, Georgia, a while back. Imagine. I wonder if people have had any ghost stories related to this tunnel. Like, for example, they hear a train coming, but there's nothing there. That would freak me out, like a lot. This, I've said it before and I said it again. This is awesome, like really awesome. Now we could go back a little bit further, like some people are, but I think I'm gonna head back. I think I'm gonna check out the other side. I don't know. I mean, I might go to the other end while we're here. We still got like a full 30 minutes. But I really want to see what else is around here in our surrounding area. And mostly too, there are a lot of people here, that, as you can tell. And I really just wanted to have an opportunity to see it with it not being so congested. And this is a big entrance. Like a really big entrance. So let's get down and let's check out the river, or creek I should say. And it's kind of nice that we don't have to cross the bridge again, or at least I'd like to think so. Oh, this is, I gotta stop saying it. It is just too beautiful. Like, look at the, got all the picnic benches. Got the creek side below, a bridge. This is a good area. So now let's actually get down to it. I think we can go this way. I mean, really, I'd like to see the bridge up close. 'Cause I think this bridge is over 100 years old, just like the train tunnel. And this water, oh, this is, if you all are in the area, like in the western North Carolina area, come check this place out. It is so worth it. I mean, this is something that I wouldn't mind doing again with my family. Hopefully I can get down here without falling. And that was easier. Well, actually, that was easier done than said. I really just had to watch my feet. But now we're beneath the bridge. A lot of rocks too. You know what? This would make for a good movie. Or a good filming location. People waving for the channel always means a lot. And just overall, see if I can't get down here. Ooh. That bridge in itself is so what am I trying to say? Picturesque. There we go. Now that we've seen the bridge, let's be careful and let's try to do a hop, skip, and yeah, a hop, skip, and a stone throw to a big giant rock right here. Although we might just have to do that. Oh, darn it! I got my shoe wet. I did not want to do that, but oh well. I got my shoe wet. Guess that means that I'm gonna get my shoes wet again. Or maybe not. I mean, I still gotta cross the street. I wonder if there's any hellbenders. Well, there probably is hellbenders. If y'all don't know what a hellbender is, a hellbender is the third largest salamander species in the entire world. And anyway, they exist in the waters of, well, most of the Appalachian region, or at least they used to. I know they've been threatened in recent years. So I guess we are gonna have to hop, skip, and jump to get to the other side. So here we go. Well, that failed. But you know what, you guys? It was still so worth it because this is an awesome train bridge. And plus, I've got some sandals on the car when we get back. Yeah. That was fun while it happened. Not so much while it, the after effects. By the way, what are those? If you're not careful, or I should say in my case, not careful, you might just want to spend the whole day out here. But unfortunately, we can't do that. Just because of time constraints, and plus if you think about it, we're about 5 miles in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, the only way we're getting back is through those trains and the power of good old human feet. Human feet. I mean, technically they've got an engine, 2 rail speeders that could push you if you got tired enough. Looks like somebody's been burning stuff too. But I think this is really cool too, that they have all these benches out here. Relatively clean. It's a good spot to just sit down and just enjoy the weather. I don't know what it is, but when you get into the mountains, it's like things drop like 10, 15, well, I won't say that far, maybe about 7 degrees. Because in Cleveland right now, it's, well, it's about 100 degrees. So it just gives you a good example on what the weather is like. And just aren't these things so darn cool to look at? They're just so freaking cool. That's all right. And now we're turning around, you guys. By the way, this is the one that helps the people that can't keep up. And now they're turning the cars around. Oh, that's cool how that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cool how that works. Oh goodness. So we'll see how this whole system works. Okay, they do that. And then they turn them around. Oh my gosh, that is so neat. I know they did it to the one we saw a minute ago, but I was unfocused. Oh my goodness. And now they're gonna do this one. And now they're, oh, that's so neat. No, that looks so easy. There's two. Now they're doing a third one. Third one. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so awesome. And just like that, they've got them all turned around. And now we need to get on our bike. Now, chances are, can we find our bike? Oh yeah, we were bike number 6. So anyway, time to sit back down and let's get back into the station. Finally ride back.
You want to go?
I'm loving this. And this is really cool. I don't know how well y'all can see that. There is a speedometer right there telling how fast we can go. This place has everything. And here we go. Going back into the tunnel. Oh wow. Sorry, this just never gets old. Alright. We're actually gaining a lot of speed this time. Oh goodness. I guess there is a light at the end of this tunnel. I heard. And this time we're going downhill. We're going to be picking up a pretty good, decent bit of speed. Then it's back to the train depot. And the conclusion of this vlog. And once you know it, the cows are out today. Oh, look at the baby cow. Yes, good old cows. Finally got to see some today. And we are now officially back. Gosh, that was so cool. That was well worth it. Yay! And now it has come to a stop. That was awesome. That was really cool. But anyway, guys, you know the drill. Remember, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Always means a lot. Goes to show that y'all care. Now y'all want to see more awesome videos like this. So without further ado, you guys, this vlog is over.